Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we are starting the weekend with some weekend jitters with all this stuff going on in the Middle East, and that has dragged the market lower. Strangely enough, oil has held steady, but it was definitely enough to pull the S&P 500 down just close to about 1% more, which brings us down from the all-time high down 5.6% for that period, which is just about maybe 3 weeks. All right. So what do we have next week? Well, we're going to see if anything happens over the weekend. That's when some of this stuff begun. It was last weekend, and so now we get to sit on pins and needles this weekend. Once we get into next week, well, we're still going to be watching how that scenario plays out. But we also have on Thursday not just the weekly initial unemployment claims, but also GDP as well as PCE, which is, say it with me, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, right? So very, very important week. Man, I'll tell you, it was almost kind of boring for a while. I would do these videos and be like, oh yeah, we're watching inflation, we're watching unemployment. But holy cow, I mean, we're still watching the same stuff, but it's a little more exciting now, isn't it? Well, that being said, enjoy your weekend and be ready for a good week next week because we just might have some pretty decent trading. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.